Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to count the files in Linux folders using some ways. Chapter 1. Count files in Linux folder using WC. To begin, open the terminal in your operating system. Now, the cd command accesses the path where the folder is. Then run the command ls-a uppercase to see the content. After this, we are going to count the files and directories using the command ls-pipe wc-l. Now, it is possible to see the result in long list format. To do this, run the command ls-lpipe wc-l. Now, it is possible to have the result excluding the main inputs. To do this, run the command ls-a uppercase pipe wc-l. After this, if you want to count the hidden files, run the command ls-a pipe wc-l. Chapter 2. Count files in Linux folder using tree. To start, open the terminal in Linux. Now run the tree command to list the number of files in tree format. Now it is possible to count the hidden files. To do this, run the tree-a command. Chapter 3. Count files in Linux folder using find. To start, open the Linux console. There, run the command find directory pipe wc-l to count the files in that directory. Then, if you want to count just the files, run the command find directory -type fpipe wc-l. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Then, to count just the directories, run the command find directory -type d pipe wc-l. However, another option is to count based on the type of file hosted. In this case, execute the command on the screen. We can then use output redirection to redirect these error messages by running the command on the screen. Finally, you can run the command on the screen by setting the minimum and maximum values. Chapter 4. Count files in Linux folder using graphical interface. To start, we are going to go to the path where the folder is stored. There, Right-click on it and then click on Properties. In the displayed window, you can find the number of files and the summary of that folder. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.